Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today with giveaway number 3 for my Thankful November Subbie giveaway. I'm thanking my subbies for all their love and support. I did reach 500 subbies last month in October, and so for this month I'm randomly doing giveaways, and this is my 3rd one. I will leave my playlist to my other ones here, the 1st and the 2nd giveaway, as well as the winners. But this will be for my 3rd giveaway, and it is a die from the Stamps of Life. All my giveaways are mine. No one gifted them to me or anything like that. I've purchased them on my own, and I'm giving them away of my own free will. But this is a wreath stamp, and then a bow, and then there's flowers and leaves and hearts that you can adorn the wreath with. So this is my giveaway for number 3. I did receive this as a doubles, so that's why I'm gifting it. You must be a US or international subscriber. You must be 18 years or older. You must be a visible subscriber. You must comment in the description box below who is your favorite paper craft designer. Who is your favorite paper craft designer? So people who make paper, like scrapbook paper, pattern paper, those kinds of things. So my favorite would be Maggie Holmes. That's an example. So in the comment below, your favorite paper designer. So you have until Saturday, November 14th to leave a comment, and on the 15th I will be drawing the winner. So November 14th is the last day you can leave a comment on this video telling me who your favorite paper designer is, and you'll get a chance to win this, and I will be calling out the winner on November 15th. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. For those of you new here, welcome. For those of you returning, thank you for coming back. Thank you for your love, your support. It's because of you that I'm doing these giveaways. For more videos like these, like and subscribe. You can find other videos here. And until my next video, shakas!